Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to create this beautiful gradient stroke effect in Photoshop, that too without using any external effects, just inbuilt effects. And also I'm showing you how to save this as a preset file so that you can quickly drag and drop, or you can apply to any text as you like. So without making any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, I created a Photoshop file. The first thing you need to do is create a clear background layer. If in case you want to use the text as a PNG format during the export process, just select the PNG. I'm selecting the type tool and adding the text as gradient text itself for time being. Then I'm increasing the size of the text and aligning it perfectly. Fine. So after that, just double click on the side of the text layer. You can see this is the blank layer, right? So if you double tap on this window will be opened. Here you need to enable this option called stroke. Right now you cannot see anything. Just press on the stroke, I mean the side area, so that this window will be opened. First you need to increase or decrease the size of the stroke. I'm making it as 9 for time being. Maybe in your case this fill type by default in color mode, just change it to gradient so that this options will be unlocked. Here double press on this gradient so that this panel will be opened. Here you can see 4 markers. The bottom ones are the one to change the color, the top one are the ones to change the opacity, I mean the transparency. So I quickly add 2 colors for this. So one is, let's say, red, another one is blue. I think blue also works good. Fine, blue I make it. If you want to adjust the opacity of each color, press that key and change the values here. For me 100% is more than enough and I'm clicking on OK. Now if you want, you can change the gradient stroke as well, and below that you can see different styles and angles as well. You can tweak these as well guys if you want. I'm making it as 90. The method I selected here is smooth. Even if you want, you can select the linear, perceptual, just check which one fits for your needs, then click on OK. Now we successfully created the gradient text. So to save this as a preset, so double press on this so that this layer will be opened. Now here you can see new style option, click on it. Now this window will be opened. Here give the name for this gradient text. I'm giving it as, let's say, 2026 gradient text, and I enable these 2 options and even this option as well, include layer blending options. Click on OK, then click on OK. That's it. So now to access the saved preset, go to the library section. From here you can see the list of things that you saved. I saved a lot of things here. So this is the latest one that we saved, I mean just now. If in case you are unable to see any of these windows, click on Windows. From here you enable or disable this. So quickly I'll show you how this effect, I mean the preset file, is going to be applied. Again I'm creating the text, just enlarging it, then select that layer and select this. That's it. As you can see how easy it was. If you want, you can go to the effect panel, I mean double press it, and from here you can tweak the changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and also share this video to the fellow people who are working on Photoshop so that they will know and save a lot of time.